Continue with the chart pattern, making sense of 1, 2, 3 chart alert. We are talking on QMR, Kawamasido reversal pattern. QMR, you can Google it, Kawamasido pattern. It will show you some of the details. So, what are the criteria before we take the trade on QMR? What are the things we look for? Number one, we start from daily chart. You can see here it broke this order block. No, this is a bearish block here, bearish candle here. So we broke it. That is breaker. That is breaker on daily. We have breaker on daily. Just a pullback. So we expect a continuation downward. So we're expecting downward trade on AJ. So on AJ, so okay, this is it. This is the beginning. Break. This is a breaker. This is a pullback. So we expect continue. On QML, we make use of overbought stochastic, majorly overbought stochastic. So, and we look for the higher high, low, higher high, breakdown, lower low, and pullback. Those are the structure we look for. And the point of interest is either EMA or fair value gap, but the stochastic has to be either overbought or oversold level. So we start from the left, high, low, higher high, lower low. Lower low, it has to break this low on the left. You have to break this low on the left, and you have to break 50 EMA. This 50 EMA, you have to break it. This high, low, higher high, lower low, then pullback as either this level or this fair value gap. But once the price cross above the higher high, so we disqualify it. It's not interest again. Once the price cross above the higher high, so we cancel it, the bias. Number one, the stochastic has to be overbought level. Once again, high, low, higher high, lower low. We broke this low and pull back. Point of interest, EMA or fair value gap. So let's see what's happened. Okay, you can see the outcome. So the high, low, higher high, lower low, pull back and continue. So that's the structure for QMR. Let's show for another one. Because you can see, or what's it called, this TDI. We saw TDI here, the test of it's coming from extreme high 68. It's coming from extreme high. It broke just like a breaker retest. It broke the level retest. The retest was not at 50 like breaker retest. It's not at 50, but it retest after broke or retest, then overbought. From extreme, broke down, retest, and continue. Then overbought. High, low, higher, higher, lower, lower, pull back, and continue. So that's it. That's a pattern on QMR. So let's look for another one on EJ. What the structure? The structure is broken up. The structure is broken up. So I'll come. Let me see. Structure has broken up. This EJ is also break of structure up, pull back, wanting to continue, but this one, the structure is not clear here. You can see that it's a little bit of consolidation here. So let's look what the price is saying. See, from 32 at the extreme, it broke, retest. It broke, retest. Then we have what's it called? Oversold. We have oversold. So we have low, high, lower low, higher high. You know, I said it has to break this high, initial high. Broke it. It also broke also 50 EMA. It broke it up, then pull back. See, it pull back to fair value gap zone. It pull back, fair value gap zone, oversold, and it continue. Let's see the outcome. So see, it continue. See the TP, fair value gap. That's point of interest, fair value gap. It broke from extreme 32, like break and retest. It broke it up, retest the market baseline zone. Then we have stochastic oversold. So we have fair value gap zone as point of interest or reversal. So low, high, lower low, higher high, pull back, then continue, TP here. So that's all about QMR. You can Google it, QMRCDO pattern. It is showing the pattern, just left, it's just low, high, lower low, higher high, pull back, and continue. But if price, after you've gotten the higher high and pull back, price came back to break this lower low, is invalidated. Likewise, on the bearish one, if price form lower low and came back upward to break this high, is invalidated. It's invalidated. So that's all on QMR.